What's up, guys? Oscar here. I've got something crazy exciting to show you today that might just change your financial future forever. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building real, lasting wealth. We're talking about unlocking true financial freedom, and I'm going to share the ultimate guide to getting there by 2025. It's a big, ambitious goal, I know, but trust me, it's absolutely more achievable than you might currently think. So, let's dive right in and see exactly what it takes to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, escape that rat race, and start living life truly on your own terms, calling all the shots. Alright, so let's get clear. What exactly does financial independence in 2025 really mean? Well, it's definitely not just about having a fat bank account overflowing with cash anymore. It's fundamentally about creating a sustainable lifestyle where your passive income consistently exceeds your expenses. With the rise of remote work opportunities, incredible tech advancements, and the explosion of side hustles, the whole game has completely changed. Think about it for a second. We're living in a truly unique time where you can, build a thriving global business right from your laptop anywhere in the world. That's the new face of financial independence. And the best part is, it's genuinely more accessible than ever before in history. But to actually get there and achieve it, we need to fundamentally redefine our entire approach to money, work, and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about your FI number. That's the amount of money you need saved or invested to live off the returns. It's like the holy grail of financial independence. To calculate it, multiply your annual expenses by 25. So if you spend $40,000 a year, your FI number is $1 million. Sounds big, right? But don't freak out, we're going to break it down. The first step to reaching that number is expense hacking. It's like optimizing your phone for better performance, but with your spending habits. Track every dollar for a month. You'll be shocked at where your money goes. Then start cutting. Do you really need 5 streaming services? Could you meal prep instead of ordering out? Small changes add up fast, and they're the quickest way to see results. Here's where things get interesting. Building multiple income streams. In 2025, relying on a single job is like only having one app on your smartphone. It just doesn't make sense in today's dynamic world. You need options, flexibility, and the security that comes with diverse revenue streams. You want to diversify, create a portfolio of income sources that work for you 24/7. Think of it as planting multiple seeds, increasing your chances of a bountiful harvest. Start with your main gig, then strategically add a side hustle. Maybe it's freelancing, offering your skills on a project basis, or perhaps dropshipping, selling products without holding inventory. Consider creating digital products like ebooks or online courses. Then move into passive income. Think dividend stocks, rental properties, or creating online courses that generate revenue while you sleep. The goal is to have money flowing in from different directions, creating a financial safety net. So if one stream dries up due to unforeseen circumstances, you're not left high and dry. You'll have other sources to rely on. Let's talk about making your money work harder than you do. First up, smart banking. In 2025, if your savings account isn't earning at least 3 to 4% interest, you're leaving money on the table, plain and simple. It's like throwing away free money. Check out high-yield savings accounts and digital banks. They often offer significantly better rates and lower fees than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Do your research and find the best options for your needs. Now, investing. This is where the real growth happens, where you can truly build long-term wealth. If you're not in the stock market, you're missing out on one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available to the average person. Start with low-cost index funds. They're like the iPhone of investing, reliable, and get the job done without the fuss. They offer diversification and broad market exposure. Set up automatic investments every month, even if it's a small amount, and let compound interest do its thing over time. All right, let's address the elephant in the room: real estate. It's been a cornerstone of wealth building for generations, offering tangible assets and potential for long-term appreciation. But does it still make sense in 2025, with all the market fluctuations and evolving economic landscapes? The short answer is, it depends. It hinges on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and understanding of the current market dynamics. If you decide to go the real estate route, consider house hacking, buying a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. It's like getting paid to live in your own home, significantly reducing your housing expenses and accelerating your path to financial freedom. This strategy allows you to build equity while simultaneously generating rental income. But if traditional real estate feels too risky or expensive, look into REITs. They let you invest in real estate without actually buying property, offering a more liquid and diversified approach. REITs are essentially companies that own or finance income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. Now let's geek out a bit and talk about the tech that's going to supercharge your journey to financial independence. In 2025, if you're not leveraging technology, you're playing the game on hard mode for no reason. The digital age has provided us with unprecedented tools to manage, grow, and optimize our finances. Start with budgeting apps like YNAB or Mint. They're like having a personal finance coach in your pocket. These apps provide a clear overview of your income, expenses, and spending habits, enabling you to make informed financial decisions. For investing, check out robo-advisors. They use algorithms to manage your investments automatically, often at a fraction of the cost of human advisors. These platforms offer diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals, making investing accessible to everyone. And don't sleep on automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. It's like putting your finances on autopilot, ensuring consistent progress towards your financial goals without requiring constant manual effort. Let's talk about FIRE, financial independence, retire early. It's a movement that's been gaining traction, and for good reason. The idea is to save and invest aggressively so you can retire way earlier than traditional retirement age, freeing yourself from the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. But, it's not just about retiring early, it's about having the option to do what you want with your time. It's about designing a life that aligns with your values and passions, rather than being dictated by financial necessity. Now, to really turbocharge your FIRE journey, you need to get smart about taxes. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs to their full potential. Understanding tax implications and strategically utilizing these accounts can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation. If you're self-employed, look into setting up a solo 401(k) or SEP IRA. And don't forget about HSAs. They're like secret investment accounts disguised as health savings plans, offering a triple tax advantage: tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. The less you pay in taxes, the faster you'll reach your FI number. Every dollar saved on taxes is a dollar that can be invested and compounded, bringing you closer to your financial goals. Something that doesn't get talked about enough. Your mindset is crucial to achieving financial independence. You need to shift from a consumer mindset to a wealth builder mindset, prioritizing long-term financial security over instant gratification. Start thinking of every purchase in terms of how it impacts your FI goals. It's like optimizing your spending the way you'd optimize a computer for better performance, eliminating unnecessary expenses, and allocating resources to investments that generate returns. But you don't have to do this alone. Find your tribe. Connect with like-minded people who are on the same journey. Join online communities, attend local meetups, or start a mastermind group. Sharing experiences and learning from others can provide invaluable support and motivation. Having a support system can keep you motivated and accountable. Plus, you can share tips and learn from each other's experiences. A strong network can provide encouragement during challenging times and celebrate milestones along the way. As you build your wealth, don't forget to protect it. Start with an emergency fund. Aim for 3-6 months of expenses. It's like having a backup battery for your finances, providing a safety net in case of unexpected job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen circumstances. Then, make sure you're properly insured. Health insurance, disability insurance, and maybe even umbrella insurance depending on your assets. Adequate insurance coverage protects you from potentially devastating financial losses due to illness, accidents, or lawsuits. Finally, future-proof your plan. The world is changing fast, so stay flexible and keep learning. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills, staying up to date with technology, and being open to new opportunities. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is crucial for long-term financial success. Your ability to adapt and grow is your ultimate safeguard against whatever the future might bring. Embrace change, be willing to learn new things, and continuously refine your financial strategies to stay ahead of the curve. And there you have it, your roadmap to financial independence in 2025. It might seem like a lot, but every journey starts with a single step. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and celebrate your progress along the way. The most important thing is to start now. Take one action today, whether it's downloading a budgeting app or setting up an automatic investment. Your future self will thank you for taking the initiative and laying the foundation for a secure and fulfilling financial future. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on mastering your finances. We'll be covering a wide range of topics, from advanced investment strategies to building passive income streams. Until next time, this is Oscar, signing off.